Hi, Dudu. Good morning, Dudu. Good morning, sir.
今天怎么了？又
Được không nhẹ chứ?
发脾气哦？
Vậy nữa.
Good morning, Dudu. Oh, I see. You just
小飞机，
wake up. Oh, you're still sleepy. It's okay, Dudu. Okay, just relax,
对对对，
Dudu. That's fine. That's fine. It's okay. No? Do you still want to sleep?
加油，一起床。
Hi, Dudu. Good morning, Dudu. Don't cry, Dudu.
豆豆，哭解决不了问题，以后你上学不可能因为哭就不去啊。比如说幼儿园已经开学了，不可能哭就不去了啊。快振作起来，你已经长大喽，你是小大人喽，小大人就有小大人的责任啊。快擦擦眼泪。
Good morning, Dudu. Just make yourself comfortable, Dudu. It's
哭了，
okay. Don't worry, it will be quick. Okay, it will be quick,
哭了。
Dudu. Don't cry now, don't cry.
Đã bảo đi ngủ đi rồi con mẹ này về cũng không đi ngủ có sang đấy mà đi chơi cơ,
好，
nói không nghe cơ.
爸爸也陪着你。爸爸也没有偷懒呢，爸爸睡得比你还晚呢，真的要起来陪你。来，读书啊，
Về thì đi vào ngủ thôi, còn mẹ thì là đi chơi xong là còn hư cái gì nữa. Mày mai thì có mà.
嗯，
Đi ngay.
Okay now, Dudu. Are you okay now? Oh no, not okay. Sorry, Dudu. But don't worry, it will be quick. Maybe I will ask your parents to move your schedule so you'll have a good sleep,
是你
okay?
做噩梦啦，
Nghe
Wait.
ngay.
快，困没用
Bà
啊，
cho tỉnh nè, nhưng mà bà giữ cái bà cho tỉnh nè. Tỉnh rồi. Papa rồi.
知道，
Đi
困没
ngay.
用，起床气也没有用，该上课的课要上。
Okay, let us try to start and maybe I will talk to your mom or dad later. Okay. Now, Dudu, don't cry anymore. Dudu, don't cry. We will now have these pictures again. Okay. Can you still remember this one, Dudu? What is it, Dudu? It's a.
豆豆，
Can you still remember this one? It's an apple. Apple.
豆豆，豆豆，该上的课要上，不能因为有起床气就这样啊。
Sir, if feels sleepy during this time, we can move his schedule to 9:30.
先生，您好。如果他这段时间感到困倦，我们可以把他的日程安排改到9:30。
Okay, I'll just message in the group later, sir. Okay, now, Dudu, let us continue. Okay, can you tell me again? What's this? It's an. What is it, Dudu? It's an apple. Can you say apple? Apple. Dudu. Can you say apple? Okay, yes, apple. That's right, Dudu. Now, how about this one? What's this? Can you remember it or no? Bear. Okay, it's a bear. Now, how about this one?
Con nó đi đi học bài. Ừ.
What
Con
is
bé
it, Dudu?
bà phải gọi con mẹ mình dậy xử lý thằng này đã. Ôi
You
giời
don't
ơi.
know? Can you say cat? Cat. Yes, that's right. Now, how about this one, Dudu?
Dog.
Dog, very good. Now, what about this? It's an. Oh, that's correct, Dudu. Well done. Now, how about this?
Fish.
Fish? Yes, that's right, Dudu. What about this one? Can you remember it? It's a gorilla. Gorilla. Okay, yes, it's a gorilla, Dudu. Now, what about this? What do you think, Dudu? It's a. Mhm. You knew this one yesterday. It's a horse. Yes, that's right. It's a horse, Dudu. What about this one? It's an
Insect.
great job. See, you can remember it now. What about this? It's a hmm. What do you think, Dudu? It can fly, Dudu. It can fly and take us to different places. It's a jet. It's a jet. Yes, that's right. It's a jet. Now, what about this one, Dudu? It's a kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Roo. Okay, kangaroo, Dudu. Again, Dudu. What's this?
Kangaroo.
Very good. Now, what about this?
Tiger.
Not a tiger. It's not a tiger, Dudu. It starts with L. It's a
Frog.
lion. Okay, it's a lion, Dudu. It's a lion. Wait, this one is a tiger. Okay, see, it's a tiger, Dudu. It has brown and black stripes. However, Dudu, lions look like this. See? It's just brown, Dudu, just brown. Okay, now going back, Dudu. What's this one again? It's a
Oh,
lion.
lion.
Yes, that's right. It's a lion, okay? Not a tiger, Dudu. Now, what's this?
Monkey.
Very good. It is a monkey. Next one, Dudu. What do you think? It's a it starts with N, Dudu. N. Not,
And
not, not.
not.
Yes. Yeah. This one is a knot. Now, what about this? Mhm. It's an octo, octopus, octopus, octopus. Okay, wait. I will write it for you, Dudu. Octopus. Wait. Again. What is it?
Octopus.
Very good. There you have it. Now, what is it? It starts with P.
She.
It's peach. Peach. Peach.
Peach.
Peach. Yes, that's right. It's peach. Again, Dudu. What's this one?
Peach.
Yes, very good. How about this one?
Octopus.
Very good, Dudu. Now, how about her? She is wearing a crown, Dudu. A crown. She is she's a queen. Queen.
Mm.
Yeah, she's a queen, Dudu. Queen. Now, what animal is this, Dudu? It's it's a what do you think?
No.
It's a rabbit. Rabbit. Okay, it's a rabbit, Dudu. See, we read it like this. Rabbit. Rabbit. Okay, now let us proceed to another pictures, Dudu, which is below. Now, what's this, Dudu? It's a
Seal.
seal. Very good. What's this? It's
Turtle.
a turtle. Very good. What's this? What is it, Dudu? What do you think, Dudu? It's an umbrella. Umbrella. Can you say umbrella? Yes, that's right. Okay. Again, Dudu. What's this? What is it?
Umbrella.
Yes, umbrella. Umbrella. Okay. Umbrella. Umbrella. Now, next one, Dudu. What's this? What is it, Dudu?
V.
V. Okay. V is for. This is the letter V, but how about this one? What do we call it? We call it van. Van.
Van.
Yes,
Van.
it's a van, Dudu, not V. Okay, how about this? It's a. It's a. Hmm. What do you think? What do you think, Dudu?
No.
It's wolf. It's a wolf, Dudu. Oh, you have forgotten it. Again, what's this? What is it? Dudu? What's this, Dudu?
Wolf.
Wolf. Very good. What's this? How about this one? It's a fox.
Fox.
Fox. Yes, that's right. What about this one? It's
Yo-yo.
yo-yo. And the last one, Dudu. Last one, it's a
Zebra.
zipper. Zipper. Yes, it's a zipper, okay? Because when we say zebra, that is an animal, Dudu. This one is a zebra. Okay? Zebra. Zebra. Okay? It is an animal. However, it's not an animal, right? It is a thing. Zipper. Zipper. Okay? Now, Dudu, let us go to your other book now, which is this one. Okay, let me see if you can still remember it. What's this, Dudu? What is
Hat.
it? Yes, very good. How about this one?
Ant.
Very good. How about this?
Hippo.
Not a hippo. It's a yak. 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 Okay, this one is a yak, Dudu. See, look at it. This one is a yak. Yak. However, if we'd say hippo, it is different, Dudu. It looks like this. See? Hippo. Hippo. Okay.
Hippo.
Yes, this one is the hippo that you are talking, Dudu. But yeah, they look different, Dudu. See, it looks like a cow. Now, again, Dudu, what's this? What is it, Dudu? It's a yak. Can you say yak? Yak. Okay, very good. Now, how about this one, Dudu? It's it's ox.
Ox.
Yes, that's right. Okay, again, let us have it in the next page. Can you tell me again, Dudu? What's this? What's this, Dudu? It's an
Ox.
ox. Ox. Can you say ox?
Ox.
Ox. Yes, very good. Now, what about this one? It's. What do you think? It's yak. Yak.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, very good. It's a yak again. Dudu, we have here ox. Ox.
Ox.
And
And
cat.
cat.
Yak.
Yeah.
Okay, very good, Dudu. Now let us have this one. Do you know what this is? Dudu, what's this? It's a ram. 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 Yes, that's right. It's a ram. See, we have here a am. Ram. Okay. Ram. Okay. We have ram. Now let us have more words that ends with am. Okay, wait. What's this one, Dudu?
Ram.
Ram. Very good. How about this?
Jam.
Jam. Jam.
Jam.
Jam. Yes, that's correct, Dudu. Jam. Now, what about this? What about it, Dudu? It's
Oh.
yam.
Yam.
Yes, see? Yam. Yam. Now, what about this one, Dudu? It's a dam. 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 Okay. Now again, Dudu. Can you tell me what's this? What is it, Dudu?
Jam.
Jam, very good. What's this? This one, Dudu, this one right here. What is it, Dudu? This one. It's a yam. 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 Can you say yam?
Yam.
Very good. And the last one, Dudu, it's
Yam.
dam. Okay, dam. Dam. What about this animal again? It's a ram. Ram. Okay, yes. Ram. Now, let us continue the review here, Dudu. Okay, so in here, you have to encircle the ones that rhyme, Dudu. Like, for example, okay, let us name the pictures first. What's this?
Sorry, teacher. He had a bit of a roughy start.
What is it, Dudu? It's a
Jam.
jam. Very good. Okay, let me write jam here. Now, what about this one? It's
Jam.
okay, it's yum. Yum. Yum.
Yam.
Yes, very good. Now, what about this one? It's a
Jam.
this one, Dudu, this one. What is it, Dudu? What's this? It's a yak. Very good. It's a yak. Okay, so in here, Dudu, we will be encircling the ones that rhyme. Okay, the one circle, the ones that rhyme. So we will be encircling jam and yam because as you can see here, Dudu, both words ends with See, am. AM. That's why we will encircle them, Dudu. Encircle jam and yam. Now, let us try doing the second one, okay? What's this, Dudu? What's this? Can
Yam.
you dam, 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 dam. Okay, dam. It's D, Dudu. Dam. Okay, now what about this one? How about this? It's a ram. Ram. Ram.
Oh,
Okay, ram, Dudu.
ram.
Now, yes. How about this? What's this, Dudu? It says meow, meow. It's a Dudu.
Cat.
Cat. Very good. Okay. So, in here, Dudu, cat ends with A and T. Dam ends with A and M. Ram ends with A and M. So, what words should we encircle, Dudu? What word should we encircle? You don't know? Okay, we will encircle dam, okay, dam and ram, Dudu, because both word ends with okay, see, um, um,
Um,
um. In here, Dudu, it's at, at, at. Okay, that is why, Dudu. Now, next one, can you tell me what's this?
hat.
It's a
Hat.
jam. It's a
Jam.
jam. Okay. Wait, let me write it for you. Jam. Now, what about this? What's this? Mhm. Can you remember it, Dudu? It's an
No.
axe. 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 Okay, axe. That's right, Dudu. A and X. Okay, axe. Now, how about this? What's this, Dudu?
Yeah.
It's
Mm,
mhm, dam. Dam.
dam. Dam.
Okay, yes, that's right, Dudu. In here, Dudu, we have a ah, axe. Okay, axe, 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 axe. Okay. Now we have here jam, Dudu. It ends with and dam. It ends with too. What word should we encircle, Dudu? Encircle two pictures, Dudu. Okay, very good, Dudu. That's correct. Thank you so much. Now, let us proceed to the next one now. Okay, we have here pictures, Dudu, and you have to name them. Like, for example, this one. What's this, Dudu? What is it? It's a ram. Ram.
Ram.
Yes, it's a ram. See, we have R, A, and M. Okay, ram. Now, what about this, Dudu? What do you think is it? Can you remember this? It's a
做好问出来。
What is it, Dudu? Is it yam, ant, dam, jam, or cat? What's this? What do you think, Dudu? Yes, that one is ram. Now, what about the next picture? This one, what's this? It's a dam. Dam. Can you say dam? Dam.
Dam.
Yes, that's correct, Dudu. Dam. Now, how about this? What's this, Dudu? It's,
这个红薯怎么读？
can you
对，
remember it? Yam. 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 Can you say yam?
Yam.
Yam. Okay, it's yam, Dudu. Now, last one. What's this? You're smiling now. What's this, Dudu? What's this? Oh, you can't remember this one?
这个怎么读？
What is it, Dudu? Okay, it's a
Jam.
jam. Yes, that's correct, Dudu. It's jam. Now again, what's this, Dudu? This one? What's this? You can see it now. Wait, let me erase it all. What's this again? It's a dam. Dam.
Dam.
Okay, yes, that's right. We'll review these words tomorrow. Dudu, let us have this one first. Can you tell me what's this? What's this, Dudu? Do you have this one in your house?
No.
No. You see, that is why it's a fan. Fan. Fan.
Dam.
See? Okay, fan. Fan, Dudu. It's a fan. Now let us have this one. Can you tell me again? What's this? What's this? It's a
Out.
fan. Fan.
Fan.
Yes, that's right. What about this one? It's a man. Man.
Man.
Okay, yes,
Man.
yes, man. What about this, Dudu? Pan. Pan.
Pan.
Okay, wait, I think we will not have time. Yes, sir.
Teacher, I'm really sorry. He may not have slept well last night, which is why he's been difficult today. I don't speak
Oh.
English, so please reply slowly. I've been staying right here beside him the whole time. I feel for him too, but recently getting up early to study English has helped him improve much faster than before. He used to get
Oh.
sleepy in afternoon classes. Now that we're having morning classes, it's also a way to change his habits.
Fine.
We'd really appreciate your patience and understanding.
Okay, yeah, it's okay, sir. Thank you so much. Okay, goodbye now, Dudu. Goodbye, Dudu.